Hey everybody, so today we are back on Roblox. In this Roblox video, we'll be playing Ro-scale Sandbox again. And you may be wondering, Vicent, what are we doing? Well, if you read the title, we're gonna be making a huge, long train. You heard me correctly. The longest train in Ro-scale Sandbox. So without further ado, let's get making the train. So here we're going to add the engine, the front engine. It's going to be this engine from the early days of railroading, along with its tender. I think that's the tender. And now we're gonna add a few trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hang on, maybe I can fit it there. 9. Come on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right now, we have 16 trucks. But soon we're gonna have a bunch more. You'll see later. So, I'll be right back, guys. So, something happened when we were making this train. All of this just crashed. Crashed. All off the tracks. Oh my. I'll be right back, guys. I'll see you when I actually finished. Okay, guys. After cleaning up that mess and all that stuff, now it's time to add the brake van, or in this case, the caboose, because it's a Union Pacific caboose. And if you're wondering how many cars there are here, there are 60 cars. Plus the brake van, that is 61. So, without further ado, let's get moving. Start at 60 speed. Just count. Or maybe you can't, but just take a look, guys. It's an insane lot. But as the train is going into the tunnel, I know this video would not get that much as views nor likes, because because people are too busy scrolling on YouTube Shorts looking for an actual decent video when they could just go to my channel, just search up this Vincent Gonzalez Cornejo, then watch a few videos. And so make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, please. I want the fame that I wanted in the past. And also, I'm pretty sure the reason why I lost so much views is because of something. And I'm sorry. Very sorry. Alright. As you can see, this large train is going and going. But also, do you forgive me? Just comment, I forgive you if you forgive me about what I've done. So now that I have not much views. Right now the train is going. This train is longer than you know my carrot. No, let's see. Off it goes into the tunnel. But you know what? I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and the train here with its with all its 61 rolling stock is going uphill, but also entering the high bridge. Haunted bridge. Pah! It's as devil as a bed rabbit. Wanting Star Nation. Here it goes. Send the train. Stop. Oh my goodness. Oh, Wait. Wait. I. Very sorry, everyone. Very sorry. Wait a minute. No. Wait, what? I forgot to. What? How? I was just dead silent. No way. I'm very sorry. Oopsies. Now, I'm back, and this train, this insanely long train, is heading towards our little city. Like, imagine you're just heading to work, and you have to go on a railroad crossing to get to work, but then you see that the crossing is down, and then you look to your left, you see a ginormous train coming down the hill and onto a bend. To this bend, and I think something happened to the train. I'm not sure what happened to it though. It looks like one of those experimental engines. While most of the train is still intact. What in Star Nation? Oh no, it's the train. And hang on. What the heck happened to the train? Why is it like 1 mile long? Okay. Bad news, everyone. Two trucks have come derailed, but they're still on track and on time. But the other bad news is that this train is heading towards an overgrown track that leads to a broken bridge. What are we gonna do? Guys, the entire train is heading super close and is heading closer and closer to the bridge. Oh no, there's no way to stop him. Although I can, but I don't want to because I want to see him crash. Oh no. Then there was trouble. Oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh my god. It just won't stop. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Ah, no. Oh my goodness. The entire 1 mile long train is coming all to a halt. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. The devastation. The entire train is coming all to a stop at this one place. Luckily, no one was hurt though. But oh my freaking goodness. This is insane. Well, everybody, that's gonna be all for this video now, guys. So if you liked it, like and subscribe. Click the bell notification. Select all. I'll see y'all next time for another brand new video. Bye!